Hi, I'm Carly and welcome to Freeborn Life. This is my first cleaning content video and I really hope you like it. My house is an absolute disaster right now. It was my daughter's first birthday a couple weeks ago and my husband took some holidays, and let's just say our house didn't get the love it quite deserved. It kind of just got put on the back burner, and then when he finished vacation, we were busy outside doing our gardens and opening our pool, so other things just kind of took precedent over the house. And I mean, when it's beautiful out, it's kind of hard to be inside cleaning when you just want to be outside and enjoy the nice weather. So I do need to tidy up in here. I definitely need to vacuum, I need to wipe things down, and I need to clean my windows. My one daughter, she's 1 and she's teething, so she's napping right now. So I'm going to try and clean as much as I can. This video might take place over a couple of days just because she is pretty cranky with teething, so I want to try and get as much done as I possibly can. I might not have long, but we'll see. So yeah, but our mess pretty much consists of toys on the ground. My husband emptied out the truck, so he kind of just took all the remnants from things from the truck and just dumped it on our island. So everything needs to find a home. We're also renovating our bathroom, so stuff from our bathroom is just kind of scattered amongst the house. We also have like tile samples that are kind of on my island right now, so just things that aren't normally there, but I desperately want to get my island cleared off and clean, so that's definitely a priority, as well as picking up all the toys and vacuuming. I do need to, if you want to give a like and follow along, if this is the type of stuff you enjoy, then that would be greatly appreciated. But if you want to watch and hang out, or follow along with me and clean your house, I hope I inspire you, and I hope you have a great day. So you're probably looking at all these toys and you're thinking, that's too many. You're right. There's way too many toys here. Right now, I'm just trying to get them off the floor, but I definitely need to go through them and donate some and give some away and just minimize the amount of toys we have in there. A lot of them are really, really small baby ones, and we're pretty much out of that stage of life where we can probably finally get rid of them. So I'm hoping to declutter these cupboards someday soon. Also, if you're curious, this is my bathroom right now. Yeah, it's gonna be like this for a little bit, unfortunately. Hi, welcome back to day 2. So my daughter woke up from her nap yesterday, and when she woke up I had to stop. I had to start making dinner, and then we went for a family walk to the grocery store. So since you've seen me, I've tidied up twice in my living room again. I've also done the dishes at least 3 times again. So we are now back at it today. Everything's relatively tidied up, so now I can finally get to the cleaning portion. So I'm going to be cleaning my windows and vacuuming and wiping things down. I'm going to try and wipe down all of my kitchen cupboards, and then we'll see what else we get done. But if you want to clean with me, then let's get to it. thank you so much for cleaning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.